Moving over to number 58, this is an AP question and that you might see on the AP exam in May. And the first part, we have to use the trapezoidal rule. We have 6 subdivisions. Each subdivision is 4 units long. And so I'm going to take 4 over 2 plus 4 over 2, and then we just have to fill in our values here. So this would be 9.6 plus 10.3, and here is 10.3 plus 10.9, and we're going to continue that over a 24-hour period. Then what we would do is get a total. When I did this, I got 253.2, and this is gallons per hour times hours. So this would be a total number of gallons that flowed through the pipe during the 24-hour period. So it's a total number of gallons. Now for part B, oftentimes when we see this question about R prime t equals 0, it signals that we are talking about the mean value theorem. And if you take the rate at 24 minus the rate at 0, then we, over 24 minus 0, that gives us a rate of 0. And by the mean value theorem, that tells us is that there must be a value c on the interval such that R prime at c gives us 0. So using the mean value theorem, we can be confident that there is a value on the interval from 0 to 24 where the derivative is equal to this average rate of change. Now in 58, part C, we're looking for an average value, so that would be 1 over 24 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 24 of q of t dt, and that q of t is the one given in our book. Instead of using the table, there is a function that is going to model that behavior. And so we're just going to calculate this average rate of change, and this turns out fairly cleanly as 10.58, and this is an average value for the rate at which the water is flowing. So this would be measured in gallons per hour.